Hello, second grade. This is Module 7, Lesson 2. So, we're going to take the chart that we made yesterday with the birds, the mammals, the reptile, and the fish with the tally marks, and we're going to make a picture graph. So, what do you think a picture graph is going to be? So, a picture graph is a graph, but instead of tallies, we're going to use pictures to represent our marks and our birds and our mammals, our reptiles and our fish. So first we're going to write our categories down at the bottom. So we're just going to do the bird down here, the mammal, the reptile, and the fish. Then what we need to do is we need to make a picture or mark to represent each of these tallies. So we're going to do X's to represent. So these are also going to go up and down. Our picture graph is going to go up and down. So how many birds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many X's do we need? We need 4. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is just a different way to represent your graph. So we have 4 X's to represent our picture graph. Okay, how many mammals do we have? We have a group of 5 here plus 3 more, 8. So let's put 8 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we are going to do the reptiles. How many reptiles are there? 5. So how many X's do we need? 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many fish do we have? 3. And how many X's? 1, 2, 3. So there's our picture graph. Now we can use our picture graph to answer questions. It says, how many birds, mammals, and reptiles did we count? So we need to know how many birds there are. How many? There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus how many mammals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. Plus how many reptiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 equals. Go ahead and solve that on your own. Did you get 17? If you did, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Good job. Next question. Which category has the fewest animals? Which has the most animals? So let's start with the fewest. Which one has the fewest? If we're looking at our graph here, which line is the shortest and which one has the least amount of X's? That is the fish. Very good. So the fish has the fewest animals. So which one has the most? I want you to point to which one has the most. Did you say mammal? If you did, good job. They have the most. It's the tallest line here, and it has the most picture marks. Hey, the next question is, how many fewer reptiles are there than mammals? So it says that the reptiles are fewer, so we're going to put those second because there's a smaller number. Are we going to add or subtract these? We're going to subtract. Good. So how many mammals do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're subtracting how many reptiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 equals, what is our answer? You said 3. Good job. It is now your turn. You need to fill this out and do it with your pictures. So you can use anything to represent your pictures. You can use X's like we used, or you can use circles or squares, however you would like to. So you use a picture, and you're going to put a picture in each one. Make sure you put the categories down here on these lines. Make sure you put your title up here. And then put your pictures to represent each of these. Then you're going to answer these questions. When you're done, seesaw it to me. Good luck.